जो 3 साल से मेरा इशू चल रहा था, I had esophageal ulcer, piles, and H. pylori bacteria in the stomach, and I'm still struggling with all of these things. Only by eliminating dairy, peanuts, and wheat, I can feel a lot of difference in my gut health. I wasn't eating cucumber, no salad, nothing in my life for past 3 years, because it used to give me bloating. But now I eat cucumber every day, at least 4 slices. I'm good to go. I wasn't eating dal because bloating ho jati thi. I'm eating dal every day. I'm feeling good. So that simple elimination of wheat, dairy, and peanuts has given me remarkable good feeling in me. आपने बोला था आफ्टरनून टाइम मिल रही हो, देखो कितनी happiness है आपके नीचे, ये भी थोड़ी कम हुई है.
There is a calmness which has come in, even in the gut. I can feel it, that there is a calm, and your hunger pangs and all that do not exist anymore. Particularly when you have those smoothies, I think the hunger pangs go for it.
That I'm just shedding weight. I was stuck with my weight. I was always exercising. I'm a yoga teacher, and imagine with all that yoga, I was always stuck wondering what had happened. It was a chronic inflammation stage basically, and just about no one could tell me that I had to eliminate. And gluten is completely out of my life. I don't think I'll ever go back to it. So just literally, I'm 100% gluten free, I can say, and dairy is almost like 95%. And just doing that itself has been really great.